back to a vlog. Today I'm on my way to go to my cousin's house. We're gonna be working on the Evo, and technically right now I'm on the 60 freeway and there's a bunch of traffic right now. We're by the canyons headed to Marina Valley, and there's a lot of traffic. I don't know what's happening. See like a helicopter up there hovering over the mountain, but I think there's like a fire right now. So right now I think it just started, so kind of backed up. I'll keep you guys updated right now what's gonna happen. Stay tuned, guys. All right, see you guys. So hot being stuck in traffic with no AC on right now. Look at all this. Oh my god, guys. So we're getting closer and closer. It starts smelling like smoke. I don't know if you guys can smell that, but whew, it smells like burnt weeds out there getting burned. Hopefully we don't get burned. Run, ditch my car and run for my life. But yeah. All weird, like, cause I'm vlogging, and they're like, "Why is he talking to the camera?" They just gave me that weird look. It's so funny. But we're getting closer to the scene. They closed one of the roads. It looks like fire trucks are there. Cops. The mountain's kind of burned, and yeah, so I think they have it under control because I don't see no smoke in the sky. Look, everything's clear right now, but yeah, they're there. Look at them. Guys, just got here. Today we got a new part. We got a timing gear. This is an old one. It's a Vision. We're going different setup. This is a new one. We got Tomei, and we're gonna show you the steps. What we're doing right now. My cousin Angel. And right now we're gonna swap it. Here it is. Here's an old one. Vision. Here's a new one. You want me to hold it in? Yes. Yeah. It looks different, huh? Yeah. It's better. This one's better? Mm-hmm. It looks weird on the GoPro. Tell me what you guys think of the color that comes out. This one's better, the old one or the new one? So right now we had to do the timing retard -2 because of the English Racing oil pump gear. So now we're just tightening it. retard 2. Right now we're just putting the bolts, tying them real tight, making sure everything's good. And yeah. You need help right now? Huh? Alright guys, so everything's good, ready to go. And so I'm going to tell you guys an update on the intercooler piping, the lower one. So I ordered from STM and it's been like 3 weeks already, and I called today. They told me another 3 weeks, which was too much for me. They kept on telling me like 3 weeks every week that I called for the update to receiving it. And so I canceled it, and I came across to Amazon and I found one. They already have it made, so next week it should be here like Wednesday. And I'm gonna make another video putting it on, and then maybe cranking the motor, hopefully. But yeah, Angel, every time everyone tells me, they're like, so when's Angel's Evo gonna be done? I don't know. People tell me that.
Angel's Evo?
Yeah, they're like, cause I don't know, they think it's your Evo.
Oh,
like,
yeah, no, it's not mine. It's this guy.
They're like, so how's Angel's Evo?
This was mine.
Yeah, so
next project right there.
right there. What is it, the N54, huh?
Yeah, M54.
So next week we'll probably make another video of Angel's swap. Well, it's a 2.8, you're making a swap?
Yeah, it's a 2.0.
So right now it's a 2.8, 2.8, 328 BMW CI, and then this one
off of 330
330 CI, which is a 3.0. But yeah, alright guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.